Like stares out the window. Lost in thought. His reading makes us nauseous in the car.
Okay, so what do you think? Your initial thoughts of Georgia.
It's good, Top Gun. And now we're going to go outside and walk and go to the ocean for dinner. There's actually no tsunamis here, but they actually just did one, and tsunamis are all gone. And then, so we're going outside now. And everybody's spending the night here. Oh, and there's hotels right there. And there's windows, and you actually can go outside and see all the people walking on the carpet. But I did not see some people. But this place is very gigantic and huge. But wow, look at that ocean right there. Oh, and guess what? There's actually that bridge over there. So, oh, there's the big boats. There's the big boats. It's right over there. Here, I'm going to get you a little closer where you can see more better. Oh, there you go. Okay, I'm going to get a little closer where you can see all of it. We're getting there. There it is. Yeah, I know. They're actually just building it. I just stopped it right there. I think Mommy is here now. I don't see her, but I think she's out here now.
Yeah, I think that was Mommy messaging me.
Georgia, the Georgia hotel is even better. Like, even better. Yeah, I'm just not joking, guys. Okay, there's cars. They already park, and there's a tree that's falling down, and there's no trees that are falling down. And there's the oceans, and there's cities. I actually just love the grass. Ooh, the grass is pretty. Yeah, nice. Okay. $196. Only payments has to do. I read so fast, but wow, I really like that flower.
It's a cauldron, you know.
Oh, look!
You know what they put at the top of it? They put a fire.
Oh, yeah. But look, there's the Pirates of the Caribbean flag and the America flag. Look, it's up right there.
We missed the boat go by. We're all distracted.
Oh!
It's not hurting anybody.
It's just a little bit of Spanish moss.
But I do not want anybody to step on it. Hey now, guys, pause right there.
Sure.
I just want to see this. Yes. Wow. Sorry. Yeah, I was facing you to the floor.
Let's find out who Florence Martis is so we can learn more.
Oh yeah. We're finally here! Did you saw the door? Oh, you did saw the door, but you passed it. Hello! Look, we made it. And look at the ocean.
No, what you said was a little funny. Can you say it again?
He's not gonna say it again because he's being sadness, but we're literally walking down the road. He almost said it just then. He said, being cool is so exhausting.